everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reactivate permanently deleted Facebook account. So stay with us till the end of the video and you'll be able to do it in no time. So one important thing that you have to note down is that you will only be able to reactivate your Facebook account if it's within the time period of 30 days. If the time period has exceeded 30 days, then your account will be permanently deleted. Also, this goes the same for Facebook deactivation. So if you are within the time period of 30 days and you are trying to log in within that time period, then you will be able to access your Facebook account and reactivate it again. So now let me show you the steps how you can open your Facebook account and then log into your account after deactivating or deleting your Facebook account within the time period of 30 days. So now let's launch Facebook application on my mobile device. Here we go. Now enter your mobile number, email address and password of the account that you had deleted or deactivated. Now after entering your details, tap on Login. Now you may have to wait for some time again for your account reactivation. So as you can see that I have been able to reactivate my account as I logged in within the time period of 30 days. So follow these easy steps in order to reactivate your Facebook account. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.